John from Side by Side Off-Road Ventures made me this sweet video while he's out here riding with us, so check out his channel. And thanks, John. Subscribe if you haven't.
I don't know. That's definitely the scariest I've ever been in this car. In the sand. Now John, he watched my video and he said, I watched your video, I know I need to buy a quality paddle. And then he went and bought this. That's not a quality paddle. This is where we go. Okay, now this is way too much. We don't need this. This is for a car with like 400 plus horse. The Paddle track, it's an awesome tire. But if your car is only like a 200 horsepower car, this is actually a horrible tire for you. You're gonna kill your tire, kill your car. But that, I don't know what to say. I thought me and John were friends. Apparently not. He doesn't listen to anything I say. So, but this is what I recommend. I get he didn't want to be the Dooner guy, so he wasn't trying to spend $1,000 a tire. Like, I get it. You don't need to do that. But you could do this. You can comp cut a 33 Packard, get great scoop, it'll be light, amazing traction, and you can do those for like, I think the rears is 800, so I mean, you like 1,200 bucks. What did you pay for your paddles, John?
$5.
No.
$7.
You just don't want to.
All right, $10.
This probably costed. You probably could have got this set up for almost the same price.
Not a chance.
What did you pay? Like 200 bucks?
For the with the wheels, yeah, less than 200.
They're worth 200.
Sweet, I got a better deal.
Total for all four.
Not 200.
Okay, what'd you pay for all?
Like 750 bucks.
For all four.
Yeah.
So if you would have just netted out another 300-400. Traction, loving life, loving the dudes. Instead of, man, all I'm doing is spinning. This kind of sucks.
Well, yeah. I mean, we'll see how the rest of the day goes.
He's crying. There's tears. I'm wiping him. It's a sad deal.
At least we wipe.
I do wipe them. So, get good paddles.
He's behind the tree right there. Probably not where he wants to be. I think he's stuck. Is he stuck?
stomach's still in knots right now.
No, I'm sure. Except unless it's on the strong side.
When it's a 75K car, you're just a little bit more nervous.
Fair.
More nervous. Good thing it's getting around. Dude, I was in the tree. I was like, I just gotta be able to launch and come out. Because if I didn't have any momentum, it was just gonna roll right to that tree.
So we were hoping for.
I'm sure you were. The world was hoping for me to destroy the car.
That's what I said to Isaac. I'm like, oh, maybe he's gonna roll for us.
I don't know. That's definitely the scariest I've ever been in this car.
Well, you've only had it for a day, so you got plenty of time to get scared.
That might have been worse than the Funko jump.
Man, I love the particle effects in sand.
You're trying to bring rock crawling to sand dunes.
No, I'm trying to bring like snowmobiling to sand dunes. I'd say that's more like, to me that was more like a snowmobiling style, you know?
Yeah.
Going up there, you're trying to get through the trees, you know, and sounds just like a snowmobile too.
It is a snowmobile.
And then like the car is like mad power and I'm just like barely even moving. And then massive paddles and I'm just like fighting it. And then, but the biggest problem is like it's so tight that like you're in and out of the throttle, in and out. You can't just hammer down and go, you know?
This is why my car can't go up there.
Yeah.
If I lose boost on that.
Right here is actually a pretty cool creative line, but I don't know. After that one, I may be done with
Tried following your tracks, and you would dug down just enough. It's brutal. It's brutal.
I like the line though. It was a challenging line. I tried this line right here through this little trees. It's kind of like, in my head, it's kind of like a snowmobile line where you trying to dodge through the trees. You're in and out of the throttle. Car's going crazy, but old Brent here in the Pro R stock, he tried to come to it and just got stuck, right, Brent?
Yeah, spinning.
Just spinning, right?
Trees. I made it between the two trees and then
Just
back
need
down.
more paddle and power.
More power. I got
Power.
paddle.
You got the paddle.
Just no more.
You just need the power. She just cut out
There's
on you.
no way to. So I
Yeah,
go
you have to
around
start from like 0 mile an
here,
hour.
and then you got to turn on that, and those paddle tracks and that turbo send you up there.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we weren't moving, huh, Mark? We were like, we were going slow, and this thing goes fast up this hill.
Right. Yeah.
She was digging and trenching.
I just run out of horsepower. That's all.
Yeah.